Hello everyone, this is TechBizmo and welcome back once again to another video. In this video everybody, I'm going to be taking a look at LinuxLite OS. Anyway guys, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and look at the DistroWatch LinuxLite part of the DistroWatch site. If you don't know, DistroWatch is just a place where you can get info on basically any Linux distribution. I don't know any Linux distribution that is not listed on this website, and I don't know every Linux distribution, so there's something to let you guys know. Anyways, so the OS type is of course Linux, or else we wouldn't be here. No, I'm kidding. If you guys saw my React OS video, that was not a Linux distribution. That was their own OS. Anyways, it is based on Debian or Ubuntu long-term support. Yeah, if you don't know, LTS just stands for long-term support, so why not just say it right there. Origin is New Zealand. Architecture is i386 and x86 and x64. The desktop is XFCE. Category is beginner's desktop and live medium. Status is active. I always love seeing that green active text, which means they've been updating their distro lately, and their distro is actually a distro. It's actually live and up to date and stuff. And yeah, I'm not going to go ahead and read this. You guys can just go ahead and read this if you want. I'll try my best. There you go. You can just view that and read it if you guys would like. And this will be as a link in the description for any kind of easier type of reading. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the next website. So the next website, this I'm not going to go into detail with this, but anyways, this is where you can download LinuxLite. This is where you can get some more information about LinuxLite. Donate, just buy crap. You've got downloads, so you can download the distribution. This website will be as a link in the description also. So yeah. It's just LinuxLiteOS.com, so I'm sure it's easy to remember anyways. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and pull up our distribution. So, also guys, if you're wondering why I'm doing this video in a VirtualBox and I did my last video actually as my main operating system, it is because Linux Mint is normally my main operating system, so I just normally record my desktop. And oh no, is this going to be a small screen? Oh, nope. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you guys heard that sound. You guys should have been able to hear that sound, but I don't know, it's not that important. It's just a sound. Anyways, here is the welcome screen. It says, "Welcome to LinuxLite. LinuxLite is free for everyone to use and share, and suitable for people who are new to Linux or for people who want a lightweight environment that is also fully functional. LinuxLite provides a basic collection of everyday tools, a web browser, an email client, a media player, an office suite, an image editor, and so on. To get the best possible, start using LinuxLite. To get the best possible to start to using LinuxLite, browse through the information below." And I'm not going to browse between these informations, the information down here. I'll just let you guys go ahead and know what it says. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's going to say what it's going to say, and I'm sorry I sound really weird. I just woke up and, so, yeah, I can set a restore point if I want. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Install updates, install drivers. As I said, I'm not really going to go into detail, but if you really want to install drivers right now, go ahead and install your drivers. So, yeah, the next thing we're going to take a look at is just our nice little panel. Hopefully, yep, that is, of course, going to pop up. That's my VirtualBox thing. I like to keep it there. I know it bothers a lot of people, but I like to keep it there just for simplicity. If I ever need to, check the real time, just in case this time is incorrect, or I just simply need to do something without shutting down my VirtualBox. I mean, I'm sure there's some way to do it, but I don't know how. Anyways, yeah, here is our XFCE panel. Oh yeah, did I mention this? This does use the XFCE desktop environment, which is currently my second favorite desktop environment. To mention to you guys, first Cinnamon, then it's XFCE. If you guys don't know, I actually used Corora XFCE for a while. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so right here we have our menu. I think I already mentioned this, but anyway, yeah, here's our nice menu. I do love the icons that they use. The icon theme is very nice that they use. Right here you have your, I believe that's your, your show desktop. As you know, I used to be a Windows user. It's going to be, you know, just minimizing all of your, applications and programs that are currently up and running. The next thing we have, by default, is Firefox web browser, and then we have our home directory, and then we have the XFCE terminal. So you can see, oh, I like that. I actually do quite like that. So it should just be Ubuntu/Debian terminal. So if I do sudo apt update, that should just install updates like that. Yep, it does, but we're not going to do that. So yeah. Over here we have our workspace switcher, and you know, we just have this big empty space right here. Just pretend that this thing's not here. Yeah, we have our workspace switcher. We have what's that? Okay, that's your connections. Right here you have your audio. So this is your microphone audio, and this is your audio in general. I like that. I like that little scroller. Looks nice. Wait, am I able to manually switch? Nope, I guess not. Right here we have our calendar, so you can see it is July 13th currently. Okay, next thing we're going to take a look at, I guess, is settings, because I haven't really looked at that yet. But there's probably something called preferences or something, so I wonder, do they have a search? Preferences. Nope. Okay, we'll just go ahead and do settings. Settings manager. There we go. Here is our settings. Yeah, I did use XFCE, so I know what it's normally called. I mean, I haven't used it in a while. That's why I forgot it was called a settings manager. Anyways, we have personal, which is this sort of stuff. You know, like panel, appearance, desktop, all of that stuff. Window manager tweaks, you know. Here we have hardware, keyboard, mouse and touchpad, power manager, removable drives and media, accessibility, firewall configuration, Lite, DM, GTK, plus, and I forgot, I'm not going to look at all of this information yet. In system, you have Lite sounds, Lite sources, you know, just Lite tweaks, stuff like that. Lite upgrade, session, and startup. Other, you have Bluetooth adapters and settings editor. I think that Bluetooth adapters, I mean, for me, it would definitely be in the hardware section, but it's fine. Not going to bother me too much. Anyways, yeah, so I think that's enough of a look inside of this. I think, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get a drink, since my voice is actually really dry, or my mouth is really dry, and it's starting to bother me a little bit. So I'll just be right back for a drink. See ya. Okay, guys, I am back, and welcome back. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, switch back. And we're going to go ahead and go back to Settings Manager and just take a look at some of the theming applications. So right here we have Appearance. And Appearance is just, I believe right here the style is just going to change your panel theming. I think, yeah, your menu theming should change as well. But I'm not too sure about that. Anyways, yeah, we're going to go back to all settings, and we're going to take a look at Window Manager tweaks. And right here, you know, you just have some things you can change about the Window Manager animations. Well, not really animations, since this is XFCE. Alright, so, yeah, we can look in panel really quick as well, so you can see the row size. You can go ahead and change that if you like. If you're using LinuxLite, of course, or any XFCE distribution. Right, we're just going to take a look at display. So, oh no, we don't have 60 hertz. Oh no, we can't play Geometry Dash. That's my brother. So, yeah. He's like, oh, I need 144 hertz monitor. Give me a 144 hertz monitor. Anyways, yeah, I think that's enough look inside of the settings manager because I don't really need to go too into detail to that. Let's go ahead and look for the software manager. So actually first we'll take a look at our directory, our file directory. So anyways, right here we have we're just in the home TechBizmo directory currently. We have desktop, trash, and drives, and we have network, which I believe somewhere in the network I have a drive, a 3 terabyte drive that only have 600 gigabytes left because my dad uses a lot of storage, but I don't blame him. Anyways, sorry, I'm getting thirsty again. Anyways, so yeah, in the home directory we have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. You know, all of the classics. We're going to close that out and take a look at our software manager. So, I believe, is it in internet? No, maybe not. Multimedia. We'll look in all. Whoops. Alright, let's see. Wait, okay, I don't see one. There probably is one, though. Actually, I do know... Is this it? I mean, I guess this could kind of be it. You still download your applications and software. What if I search Kdenlive? I guess this distribution doesn't have it. Yeah. I'll actually make a separate video. If you guys can let me know if this actually does have a software manager, because yeah, I don't want to spend too much time just searching for a software manager. So just let me know, guys, if there is one, and then I'll search after this video, and then I'll just make a separate video about showing you guys just the software manager. You know, a quick little look at the software manager. I think the main video player is VLC Media Player, which is sweet. I love VLC. Go ahead and open up our web browser. I don't think at this point we have a lot more to take a look at. We have this PC, which, you know, is just going to show your directories again. Yeah, you have Windows Network, which, and Linux in here. Failed to open, nice. We're going to close that out. I guess one thing I can show you guys how to do, you just go to change your wallpaper, you just go to desktop settings. You just right click on the desktop and go to desktop settings, and this window will pop up, and you know, we can pick a nice little wallpaper. I say little wallpaper, massive wallpaper. Oh, here's your control panel. Oh, okay, so that's a much easier way to get to settings. That's actually quite nice. Yeah, oh, Lite software. Is that it? Okay, I think this is it. I think this is our software manager. So, forget that stuff about putting whatnot in the comments. Comment how terrible I did on making this video, because, yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and wait for this. Okay, install software. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I believe, yeah, I don't really need to go into detail with this. Oh, but they do have OBS Studio, so if I really want to install that, which I normally do in every distribution that I use, then that's very handy, actually. Nice. I also do like using the classic terminal, but it's nice to have a break sometimes. Okay, so I believe now we have OBS. Yep, we have OBS, so if I open that up, failed to initialize GPU, but that's fine because on my actual computer, I mean, not when I'm not in a VirtualBox, OBS actually works. Yeah, we could take a quick little look at this lovely trash. We have help manual. What's that? I think that's just a manual for helping you. Alright. Okay, so install guide, partitions guide, all the basics. I love that. That's pretty nice. Oh, video guides, graphics drivers. FirePro graphics by AMD. Never heard of FirePro, but it sounds scary, so we're just gonna leave this. Well, anyway, guys, I guess that is the end of this video now. I'm sorry that I haven't reviewed much. I knew there wasn't going to be a lot to review since this is a XFCE desktop environment distribution. So yeah, that's why there's not much to look at. It's still very nice though. I do love this distribution now. I guess I could put it in one of my favorites lists. I mean, once I tweak some stuff, just like some of the themes, this desktop, I kind of like having a free desktop or, with nothing on it like that. We just change it up a little bit. And then it will just be perfectly fine. So, yes, guys, as I said, I will leave the website, the website to this distribution as a link in the description, and I will also leave the DistroWatch LinuxLite OS site has a link in the description. Well, anyway, guys, it has come towards the end of this video now. I thank you guys very much for joining in of this long and, well, not really long, but laborious video. Anyway, guys, it has come towards the end of this video now, as I said. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.